want to talk a little bit about sustainability in the golf industry. And it's really, as I've been working on this over the last couple of years, I've been thinking a lot about that because when I go to conferences and listen in on what gets discussed, I'm a chemical engineer, there are chemical formulas that I don't understand. And when I started thinking about that, a lot of that's because of poor water quality being applied to the surface of the turf. And then the golf superintendent then having to respond to that through some agronomy tools, some cultural practices, in many cases with fertilizers and chemicals. And unfortunately, that's not sustainable. And so I really believe that the primary opportunity for this technology, not just in the United States, and next year we're going international with it, is to address this opportunity to be a more sustainable industry. Our testing has shown that we can reduce water usage by about 25 to 30%. I think that has really good application across the industry. We've seen reductions in chemicals, we've seen reductions in fertilizers from our customers, and they've just started brushing the surface here. There's a lot that can be done. But we're really proud about this of our system. We're really happy with our customers. We've had some of the best customers in the world who have given me the feedback I needed to have to help make this system better and better. And so we've gone back to them and say, hey, listen, let's try this. Let's adjust this. Let's add CO2 and see what we can do for pH. And I think by and large we've had great success in doing that. And I think that our future is really bright. Right now we are in the commercial stages of the retrofits of a couple of our systems for pH control with carbonic acid. So far so good. Everything looks really good. And the performance has been excellent. So we anticipate that will be an option on most of our systems, but we're educating. Beyond the fact that we have a system that works, now our opportunity is to educate the industry, to get as many systems out there as we can so that people have an opportunity to see what this does. Spread this across the country. There are areas of this country that have severe water restrictions, and it's affecting the golf industry. And if we can reduce their water usage, and again, focus on sustainability, that's going to be good for everyone. Chemical usage, same thing. If we can do the right things to make the water healthy that we put on the soil, then we don't have to add as many chemicals to respond to that. So overall, it's been a great run for us to kind of kick this off in the golf industry. We're just getting started. My goal in my 5-year plan is to have over 450 golf courses using our system. That'll be 3% of all the available courses that could use the system in the U.S., and that's before we go international. So we believe that we can have a significant impact on this industry and truly help reduce our environmental footprint across the board.